Good Wednesday morning to you all. It's Ash Wednesday. And I'm going to do one of these last two cards from Alina Light. We're going to mix them up. Not that that makes any difference, but we're going to do that one because that's the one that is calling to me. Splot. Splot. So we're going to make a sort of a S, a bit of an S shape, backwards S shape, with an aura like that, kind of almost a leaf-like shape. And then we're going to go the other way behind it, like that. And then we're going to aura it. So we're going to aura it on the inside and then through here. So we could actually aura this first. And then like that. And then she's got them in here. So there's the shape, the behind, the auras on the inside. Okay? That's what we're doing today. And she's got them in a mandala because that's what Alina Light does. But what if I do it, trying to decide how I want to make these shapes. What if I do them coming out this way? Like 3 of them coming like that, like a, almost like a petal. That would be good. Okay. You guys can't see that, but I can see that. Can you guys even see what I did? I know what I'm doing. All right, so let's use a number 1. And we're going to do a... Why is that so fat? Oh, it's a 1.0. Well, that's bigger than I had anticipated. Something like that. That's not quite right, but that's okay. Then we're going to do something like that. And then we're going to make this smaller because that is not the pen I wanted. See, that should have been, yeah, that's going to have to be this size now. That one I think is going to go through that one. But I'm going to finish this one first because this one also has to have this. Like that. So then this goes like that. Well, this goes through there. This is meant to go through there. Not sure I like how I executed this one. I mean, it's right. It's cool. It looks good. But I'm not sure I like how I executed it. Do I want one more going this way? Maybe a little one? Something like that. That is not correct. Close enough. We're just going to add some squiggles that look like they live in there because it needs something. Like that. To fill the space. That's good. This is Splot. And then we're going to do a little bit of shading. Just a little. Actually, I'm not sure that that's what I want to do. I don't think it is. I think I just want to do highlights. I've changed my mind. Oh, and that's not sticking. Oh, the pen is not sticking to the paper. I could see that something's not quite the same with this paper. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see the... No, you can't quite. Oh, there you go. See where it's like still really, really wet? It's not soaking into the paper, which means it's going to smudge. I have to be really careful. But I think I want to just do a bit of highlight instead of instead of shading. Needs to be sharpened. That is not a good sharpener. I've got like 3 sharpeners sitting here on my desk because sometimes I will accidentally break a tip off in the bottom of my sharpener and then I forget which one I need to clean out. Something like that. That works. I think that's good enough. That's good enough for today anyway. All right. I hope you have a blessed day. If you are of the Christian faith and you have attended Ash Wednesday service or you plan to attend Ash Wednesday service today, I hope you had a blessed service and that you go into this Lenten season with a spirit of reflection and thanksgiving. And if you don't celebrate the Lenten season, well then have a great day anyway. That's fine. You don't have to. I'm just giving a special greeting to my fellow Christians. And whatever you celebrate, whatever yesterday apparently was the Lunar New Year, if that was your celebration, awesome for you. Apparently we're going to have a new moon on Tuesday the 17th. Some people don't believe in the fact that the moon creates this whole vibe, but I totally believe it. There are some days where it's like, do we have a full moon? Are people getting all weirded out with the moon? Because people's vibes, let me tell you, after working with the public, I can feel an energy shift because I see so many people during a day, several hundred people a day. Most people don't get to interact with several hundred people a day, and there is definitely a mood shift from day to day in general. And doesn't help when my bad mood shift meets customer bad mood shift. That's just terrible combination. So I just pray that during Lent I can work on myself. That's it. Just work on myself. Splot. Splot is the name of this pattern. I hope you have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you on whatever the next video is going to be on Friday. See you later. Bye-bye.